Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on this laptop. So if you have problems connecting with your Wi-Fi, you can toggle your Wi-Fi and airplane mode. To do this, click the three icons on the status bar, then click your Wi-Fi icon to turn your Wi-Fi on, off, and then click on it again to turn it on. You can also try toggling airplane mode by clicking this icon. And if none of this helps you, you can go to Start menu, open Settings, then go to Network and Internet section, scroll down to Advanced Network Settings, then select Network Reset, click Reset Now, click Yes, then restart your laptop by opening the Start menu, go into Power Options and selecting Restart. Then wait until your device is rebooted. Once your device is restarted, try reconnecting to your network by clicking this arrow icon next to your Wi-Fi icon, then selecting the network you want to connect to, enter the password, click Next, and then see if it resolved your problem. And if it didn't, then right-click the Wi-Fi icon you can see right here, select Diagnose Network Problems, and go through the troubleshooting steps that you can see in this window. And once you do that, if it still doesn't help you, then you can open the Start menu, go to Settings, don't go to Settings. Instead, search for Developer, Device Manager, open Device Manager, and on the following lists, select Network Adapters. Now, this will only work if you have some kind of internet connection, or if you can use some, then select Intel Wi-Fi network adapter, select drivers section right here, and then try to update driver, select search automatically for drivers, and if you find any, then your drivers will be updated. You don't even have to restart your PC. Your Wi-Fi should start working normally again. But if it didn't help, then let's download the drivers manually. To do that, you have to open your web browser. You can do this on a different PC and then just transfer your driver file using the USB flash drive. Search for DELL drivers, DELL drivers download, select drivers and downloads. Then here you'll have to input your DELL service tag for your laptop. To find your service tag, you'll have to check the back cover of your PC. So let me close the lid and show you the back cover. And on the back cover of your PC, check the ST colon section, and in this string you'll find your service tag. So for me it's DTKKFL3. Then enter this service tag into this field, and then select Find Specific Drivers, select Drivers, select your operational system, and then let's search for WLAN drivers. So here it is, Intel BE2 Wi-Fi driver. Now click on it, hit the checkbox next to it, and select Download selected. Let your driver download. Then if you are doing this on a different device, then transfer this file to your laptop using a USB flash drive and then run it on your PC. Click yes, Then click install. Then wait until the drivers are installed on your PC. Click repair, next. And that's it. Now at this point your Wi-Fi should start working normally, but in case it didn't happen, then you should try to restart your router, and in case your router restarting doesn't help, then contact your internet provider and ask them if they know something about this issue, because there is probably an issue on the provider side. Either that, or you probably have some hardware issues, and in such case contact Dell customer support service, tell them about your issue and see what they can do. Alternatively, you can just head to the nearest repair center and let them take a look at your network card. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.